Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings, and here you will find it here, dark mode. Click on it like this and it should be turned on, and that's how to turn on dark mode on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.